Hello my friends, Darrell from Cappuccino Life. We are going to have some fun tonight. I am making a new kind of Negroni that I saw online and it turned out to be phenomenal. So we have our Italian stovetop espresso maker. We're dropping our super yummy high-end coffee. You don't want to use crap when you're doing this. No reason to. And the premise of this is to run the sweet vermouth through the espresso maker and the coffee, and you come up with a elixir that is just absolutely divine. Did this last weekend and took it camping, and it was highly successful and went over big with everyone. So I thought it'd be fun to show you how we did it. A couple things we did a little bit different. I like to get it together in the cup because it makes it easier. Sweet vermouth. You can use a really nice one if you like too. And bring it up to the actual water line in the coffee maker. Drop it in. Screw the top on. And the thing you're going to do a little bit differently is when you brew this, you're going to leave the lid up and you're going to do it on low temperature and allow it to actually watch it. It won't splatter out, and when it's done, we will chill the divine liquid and use it in drinks. And with a Negroni, it'll be 1/3 this, 1/3 gin, and 1/3 Campari over ice. We'll let you know how it turns out.